Yeah, so 55. I'm getting pelted with hail, so I probably shouldn't be going this fast, but the jacket feels good. No winds coming through it or anything like that. Pretty sweet. That's with the thermal liner out. That's, yeah, I'm getting freaking pelted with hail. All right, I'm gonna slow down. Anyway, pretty sweet. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Out here alone again. What is happening? A little bit of rain and no one wants to play. So just out cruising around. Mainly wanted to get out here like while it was raining. It's been raining all day long. Finally get home from work, get the bike ready, get geared up. Stop freaking raining. The main reason I wanted to get out here while it was raining, because I just spent, woo, slippery. I just spent a bunch of money. Man, my front end is just slogging through this. On the Rev'it Offtrack, I got the jacket and pants to get out there and extend my riding season. Big freaking puddle. So I have something to wear other than just the jersey. And I've done, I don't know, a little 5-mile slog through the highway to get over here at 50, 60 miles an hour and perfectly warm. Did not feel, there's a coyote over here. Did not feel any of the moisture in the air or rain or anything like that. It stayed warm the whole time. Let's see, get this coyote. You won't be able to pick him up, but he's out there. He's coming around this way, but I gotta go this way. Whew. Anyway, so far, first initial impressions are pretty good. It's way different to ride in. I know that for sure. Like, I feel like the kid that's overdressed in A Christmas Story. Can't put my arms down as easily, but that's just coming from, you know, light jersey and armory compared to all this. I left all the internal liners and stuff in, so there's a thermal liner and a waterproof liner. I left it all in just to get a feel for all of it together, see how I move and see all what it does, because it is pretty freaking chilly. There's snow in the mountains, it's been raining all day. The sky looks awesome. All these rain ruts are crazy. Don't get in the rut, don't get in the rut, don't get in the rut, don't get in the rut. Yay! I didn't get in the rut. Woo! All this sand underneath this is tricky. Oh my god. That was really freaking deep. Really, really deep. And then I've got another one. Almost didn't make that one. Holy cow. Alright, so I'm all wet on the outside. Body still feels dry. I think I got a little bit of water in my boot, but I'm wearing these pants inside the boot, which I thought this was supposed to be an over the boot pant, but I couldn't get it to work. Maybe if I had a little bit of a larger size, I'd be able to do it, but that's alright. I'm used to wearing them. Used to wearing pants in the boot anyway, so. I have one pair of pants that goes over the boot, and I think twice now I've gotten to like put my foot down and the pant gets caught on the peg and then I fall over, which is pretty awesome. It makes you feel like a hero. I still can't get over how deep that freaking puddle was. Oh, you know what I didn't think of? Is that by going around this way, I have to cross that river. I hope it's crossable. That would suck. I have to run back around. Alright, moment of truth. Am I going to be going all the way around? Ooh, that's good flow. Alright, here goes nothing. Woo, that was deep. Yeah, I won't be coming back through this way. Oh, goodness. What am I doing? There's a freaking car. Out here doing stuff they're not supposed to be doing? What do you think? He's not out here because the road's nice, that's for sure. Alright, so I am a little warm. Oh. Now that I'm moving slower and working through these rocks and stuff. Like I said, I have all the liners in. It's at full bore right now. Hardcore adventure. All these puddles. I just watched a video by In the Pumpkin Patch. It's up in Washington. And he was riding through the woods and there was more water on the trail than there was dirt on the trail. It was insane. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's pretty rad. Especially from us California guys' perspective, where we get this like a month out of the year. He's out there riding a wave runner down forest trails. God, there's so much trash. It sucks. Alright, let's go see what the dirt looks like. Wasn't planning on coming all the way out here, but this road's always a big dust bowl. Figured I'd come check it out. Hopefully there's not any big old tire sucking life ending ruts. Oh yes, this is nice. The only downfall is that I can't see cars coming at me now. Small price to pay, I guess. Getting into the clouds. Howdy, guys. Up in the fog, doo 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 doo. Up in the fog, oh yeah, it's alright, doo 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 doo. You guys probably can't see anything. Woo, traction's good. A better rider would have been able to rip around that. Here we go. Morton's Peak. Just pulled the thermal liner out. The jacket got chilly. But mostly because I was out of the jacket. Fighting these goggles from fogging up is just a losing battle, I think. So there's a waterproof pouch on the back of this jacket. You're supposed to be able to shove those liners in when you're not using them. It's very handy. I'm sure it's on like all adventure jackets, but this is my first one. Hey, little bunny! This is my first one, so I don't know. It's new to me. I can tell you that it does feel a little weird, like having it there. It's like I've got my fanny pack on the wrong side or something. Oh yeah, you guys notice? Didn't have to rock a fanny pack because I got pockets. Freaking sweet. I gotta find riding pants that have pockets. Just a phone pocket, wallet pocket, and GoPro external battery pocket. Do any of you guys run those helmet lamps or helmet lights? Not that I want to add like more weight to my helmet, but would be handy. Is that? Seen a few guys using them and they look pretty cool. So that'll give me like a little more light down to complement this light up. Because I can't seem to figure out how to adjust this headlight down anymore, which I need to do. Rory and I were talking about it. He has all sorts of like ideas, so he needs to act on one of them so that he can tell me exactly what to do with mine. That's gonna be a while before he does that, I think, because he's rebuilding forks and stuff right now, because he just went out to Ocotillo Wells and had a grand old time. Oh my goodness. Literally could not see anything right there. This jacket feels plenty warm enough without that thermal liner in there for this kind of weather right now. Probably most weather when you're like riding off-road. You're burning calories, moving your carcass around and stuff. That liner's probably better for when you're just sitting on the seat pounding miles out. Alright guys, starting to rain. I think I'm going to wrap this video because you guys aren't going to be able to see anything anyway. Hope you liked it. Hope you found some information on this jacket, or jacket and pants, if it was something you're curious about. I really like it. It does seem to run a little bit small. It's supposed to be like a European cut, so but I'm pretty thin, slim built guy, so it is a little snugger than I'd like, but I'm sure like as I take out these layers, like right now, even with that thermal layer out of here, it fits like way better than with it in there. So I think I've got the size I'm happy with. But anyway, rambling on to myself, and you guys are just looking at like a cloud of nothing and a flashlight shining in the darkness. So I'll wrap it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Hit us up on Instagram for when we've got a ride coming up. We'll let you guys know if you're interested in joining us, or you can shoot us an email, brokenenduro@gmail.com. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Later.